Oreo dirt pudding, a great, quick and easy chocolate dessert or a favorite for kids for the famous dirt pudding caps. This makes a great, quick and easy chocolate dessert. Now I have started out taking 15 Oreo cookies and crushing them up. I'm taking 1 package of instant chocolate pudding, 2 cups of milk, and I'm going to whisk these together for 2 minutes and then let it stand for 5 minutes. Okay, my pudding has stood here about 5 minutes and you can see how thick it has become. Now I'm going to fold in. This is an 8-ounce tub. Now it could be Cool Whip, it could be your store brand of whipped topping, but in this case I'm using the stabilized whipping cream recipe I showed you in another video. Now if you're not using Cool Whip because you don't like the hydrogenized oils and you don't like high fructose corn syrup, you can try this Cool Whip alternative, which is a stabilized whipped cream. That looked pretty and rich. Now to this, I'm going to take my crushed cookie crumb and I'm going to add a 1/2 cup to this and stir that in. To put it into my serving bowl. Now this is also known as the dirt cup pudding, but if you had kids and you wanted to put in individual cups and get some gummy worms, this would be the same recipe. Now I'm going to top this with the rest of my cookie crumbs. Now I would say that absolutely looks like chocolate dirt. And if I had kids and I'd put little gummy worms in here. But I'm just going to take this saved Oreo cookie I had and just kind of stick it in the middle. I'm going to cover this up and I'm going to refrigerate it. And of course, if this is for your kids, grandkids, a party for kids, put it in individual cups. It'll make 10 about 6-ounce cups, or just leave it in the container just to add some gummy worms and your kids will love it. I'm Carolyn Gibson at Homemade Cooking in Texas. Like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of these fast and easy recipes.